guys and welcome here. I'm Pragya and in today's video I'm gonna be talking about 10 online high paying jobs that you can do from anywhere just with the help of internet. For all these jobs you do not need any kind of certification. All you need is little bit of experience and good portfolio. Me and my sister, we both are working full time on our business, but apart from that we are also doing freelancing work because extra money doesn't hurt, and why to just waste your time, right? Utilizing our free time doing freelancing work, generating extra money, and also making our portfolio strong. The first one is virtual social media manager. There are so many small businesses coming up and they want someone who can take care of their all the social media handle and help them in self-branding. There are so many existing companies, those who are doing things wrong and they want to rebrand and they want to work with a lot of other brands, or just spread about their work more now than ever on the social media platform. So if you are somebody who are interested in social media, who thrives through social media, there are so many courses out there you can take on the Skillshare, Udemy, or anywhere, like you can take courses from anywhere else and apply. Then you have to make your portfolio on social media first. Talk about the products, talk about the services, talk about how you can help other brands in growing, how you can make their sales go up, and all that kind of stuff. Then you can make your resume with cover letter and all the portfolio ready, and you can send it to clients. In the starting you can actually work for free for 1 or 2 clients, or even for like 1 to 2 weeks for any particular client. Show them result with your social media managing skills, and once you hit the goal, whatever they had given you, you can add it into your portfolio and ask for money. You can definitely work for that particular brand, or you can move towards any other clients. You can search for these kind of jobs in Upwork or also on social media just by DMing and like, hey, I do this, and if you're interested, let me know. I can send you my CV or something. Number 2 is graphic designing, video editing, and photo editing. Now that so many businesses have their own products, they do not want to go into this creativity part, and there are so many even the social media influencers and YouTubers and so many other people, those who do not want to get into these kind of field. They want to create, but they do not want to edit and do these kind of time consuming things. You can create your own YouTube channel and talk about how you edit your videos and your skills, like what kind of videos you can edit, and make it in a portfolio form, and you can send it to few YouTubers, big YouTubers even, because they are always looking for some kind of good editors. Not because they cannot do it by themselves, but there is a lot of things to handle, marketing and sales, talking to brands, and there's so much they already have in their plate. So instead they always are looking for some kind of editor, not only video but also photo editor and some kind of graphic designing. And if you're interested in these kind of skills, you can easily learn it on YouTube. There are so many tutorials you can watch, learn, make your portfolio, and just talk to other YouTubers or creators. Number 3 is blogging and content writing. Just because you can write good captions on Facebook or Instagram, that doesn't mean that you are becoming blogger or content writer. Blogging and content writing both are different things, but when you merge it together, you can become a big asset to any company. When it comes to your own job, you can take it as a whole business for yourself. When you know how to do write blog and how to do content writing, how to market any product, you can get the brand deals, you can do affiliate marketing, you can create your own website and talk about things which were really important for you, and you can promote their other people or products and services and earn a lot of money. Now, why is blogging very different than usual writing that we do? Because in blogging you learn a lot of technical stuff like SEO, keywords, and how to place them correctly, how to make them searchable. Now all the small and big brands, they are looking for good bloggers, not only because they can show their work, but also you can show their technical skills and make their products or services really pop on Google in a search result, so that they can make good sales. When it comes to content writing, it is not only about writing any kind of poem or a story or article. It is so much more. It is all about writing different kind of articles. For example, copywriting, technical writing, marketing and communication writing, ghost writing, press release writing. So there are so many things. When it comes to blogging, again, it has so many other things like framework, structure of the blog, how to use the keywords properly, SEO properly, how to place them properly, how to correctly publish it and market it, promote it, and generate revenue. These are the 2 skills we have actually started teaching to other people, and it is taught by Prachi, who is also my sister, and she has been doing this blogging and content writing for like 3+ years, and then she ditched her 9 to 5 and now she is doing coaching and she is preparing you guys to do the same. So if you want to start your own blog or you want to work as a blogger or a content writer for any company or something, check out the link in the description box. You can book your slots for late August and September. Whenever you're watching, we will keep updating that link so that whenever you're watching, you'll get your fresh slots for particular month. And it has designed in a way that any mom and students can also do. Once you learn these kind of skill sets like blogging and content writing, first you have to do is find out your niche. Once you've done finding your niche, you have to talk about different things in that particular niche on your website. Make sure to make a website for yourself. It can be free website, it can be paid website. You can buy your own domain if you want to take it as your own business. For example, for me, I have taken my own domain, which is www.gautampragya.com, because it is a full-time business for me. If you want to work for other brands or just want to do freelancing work, then you can make a free website. Make sure to put 10+ articles which are within your niche, and make sure to pitch to people those who comes in your niche only. Otherwise, they are not your targeted audience or clients, and they are not going to entertain you at all. Number 4 is working as a YouTube or blogging manager. Because after coming to certain point, they need some kind of help who can take care of the SEO behind the scene and like editing and all that, putting together and publishing their work. If you're somebody who has a little bit of knowledge in YouTube editing and publishing, blogging and all that stuff, you can take your chance and work as a freelancer. Now I will cover 6 points together, because trust me, the method to approach the clients is really same. Virtual sales and marketing launch strategist, virtual assistant, sales funnel teacher and manager, FB and IG ad manager, proofreader and translator. Of course, if you do not have any kind of a skill set in this, then you can learn it online or in a paid course. All you have to do when you learn these kind of skill set, make sure to put it on your portfolio. Your portfolio doesn't mean it has to be only on resume and CV and you have to show it to other people that I know this and I can do this job. No, you have to show actually to the clients that you can actually do it. So for example, if you're really creative on YouTube or blogging or video editing or photo editing or something like that, you can start your own channel, you can start your own page on Instagram. Now, why it is important to showcase your work also on social media? Because not everyone has the time to look into your CV and read every single word. All these days, trust me, the first impression is the social media. This is what I believe in, because when I scroll down somebody's profile and it feels like this person has knowledge, this person have done some kind of strategies, have done some kind of research, and they know how to do this properly, it catches my eyes, and then we move towards the resume. So this is why it is very important to have some kind of social media portfolio as well. Now, where you can find these kind of jobs or clients, you can find them on Indeed, LinkedIn, Fiverr, Instagram, Upwork, Glassdoor, Facebook, Freelancer, Craigslist. Before looking for clients, making resume or CV, you have to work on your skill set. Make a good portfolio, then move towards resume, CV and pitching to clients. Last one is customer service representative. And if you're thinking like you can do these kind of jobs only on call centers, then you're wrong. You can do this at home as well. All you have to do is go on Amazon, scroll down, you will see the career option. Click over there, you will see tons of options related to customer service representative, because there are small businesses, small brands, those who are selling their products and they are really into the business, but they do not want to handle this customer service relationships. So this was the list, but if you are interested in learning blogging and content writing, make sure to click on the first link of the description box, and also I'll put the link in the first comment of this video as well. Make sure to check it out and book your slot as soon as possible, because her slots goes just like this. I'm sure that you do not want to delay your learning process and getting client process and starting your work from home process. So yeah, this was it. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and you found it useful, and if yes, make sure to give this video a like. It means really a lot to me. Make sure to also write me in the comment section which job actually you found it very interesting and you think you can make a career out of it. And if you're new, I'm Pragya. I make videos related to self-growth, healthy living and parenting. So if you're interested in these kind of videos altogether, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. And thank you so much. Bye.